Hello everyone and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury, and today's video is going to be about Kreoo. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Kreoo and the experience that I had there. And I do have videos about this particular company too. And I actually sat down with the owner's daughter, Gabriella, and did a podcast. So backing it up a little bit, it was a little bit of a drive to get there. I had to travel from Verona to Ciampo, but the sites were amazing. We had to drive through the footsteps of the Alps to get to their manufacturing facility and showroom. So they are a very, very luxury marble manufacturer. They have everything from tubs to sinks to high-end marble tables that have marble that comes from places like Turkey. And I have a video about that, which is a very specialty marble, which takes a lot of time and a lot of care to manufacture, if you want to check that out. Now, this company, Kreoo, is a family company. Like I said, I met with Gabriella, and she is the owner's daughter. They've been in business for about 60 years. And having the experience there, you can definitely see that they take very much pride in their work and the communication that they have with anybody that comes into their facility or showroom. And I sat down, like I said, with Gabriella for a podcast, and I have that on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out and see how much work that they do, not only for residential or hotels or things like that, but they also do public fountains for governments in Italy. They just do amazing work. So if you are any of my followers there in Italy and you would like to check out Kreoo, I would definitely suggest doing that. If you are a designer or a builder that needs any marble work, I highly recommend Kreoo. They're an amazing company. Until next time, keep designing your life.